Don't press the button versus don't press the button for versus don't press the button 10 and don't forget to like and subscribe before the video starts in 5 4 3 2 1. Don't press the button 10 first and let's rate it after playing this. I have a little friends joining here. Their name is Dreamy Boy, Lale, and my best Roblox friend ever named Brio9777. My friend Brio9777 lives in Thailand and I even gave her Robux and I really love her. This game looks easy. There she is, my Thai friend. Wow, I died. I will use speed coil. There's a lot of coins here, lol. Yay, finally. I'll do a voice reveal if I reach 1,000 subscribers. That's why click the subscribe button down below and it's free. I died again. We played together with my friend Brio9777. Victory! Wow, banana my favorite fruit. Comment down below your favorite fruit. The banana is exploding, lol. Wait till the end, I love this game. If we reach 700 subscribers, I will donate Robux who subscribed at me. Yay, Abby! Easy, 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 easy. It's so easy. I made it. I gotta go back because the obby is so 100% easy. Well, I have already a channel now that had 350 subscribers, but that old channel was no verification, so I'll make a new one. This is Brio9777 with a pink hair, black shirt and a pretzel on its back. Please wait till the end, guys, and I love you so much. And this is my partner twin with a yellow hat, black jacket and a green necklace. But my partner twin has no Robux and please don't laugh at him, and his name is Dreamboy84. I'm the only one, but I died. Last game. Yay! I'm gonna rate it a 9 out of 10. because it's a lot of fun playing with my friends and it's so easy.
Next game, don't press the button for. Obby time, guys. Looks easy, lol.
I'm not really good at obby, guys. Like and subscribe before I finish the obby. Did you like and subscribe? Congratulations if you did it. You are the best. Wow, the button exploded.
Jump.
I'm so sorry, Bacon, I shooted at you. I love you, Bacon. Like if you love bacons too. There's a cop, run. I don't want to get caught. No, 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 no. How did you get up there? I'm so sorry, Bacon. Not now I'm at Max Friends, but I still 100% love you. Wow, there's an empty bottle. Amazing. I will choose the green one. No, it's wrong. I will choose the green one again. Why green is an unlucky color? I died again. Subscribe if green is a lucky color. Yeah, I made it, guys. Lasers, no. No, 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 no. Ouch. So painful. So long though. Yeah, I won. Don't press the button for is a little bit hard. I'll rate it a 7 out of 10. Next game. And now the don't press the button. Noah bomb. I'm gonna just get this coins and diamonds first. Yay, it fell. We need to get the logs to cross the bridge. Okay, nice. I'm getting this. Put it right there. What an amazing game! There's a lot of bacon right here, but I love bacons. Teamwork. Yay, already done. Amazing. Well, I recognized this music. It comes from Plants vs. Zombies. Well, I loved to play Plants vs. Zombies when I was a kid. Haha, done. What are you doing to a bacon girl? Don't do it, that's bad, please, because I love bacons so much. What is that remote? LOL. How did I turn to a zombie? How and why? While the house exploded and I died, this game is a little bit bad and little bit good. Stay away from red platforms, okay? No, I died again. Well, whatever. Please don't feel bad to me. Okay, let's rate it. I'm gonna rate Don't Press the Button a 5 out of 10. And my favorite among of all is Don't Press the Button 10. Bye for now.